What's going on, guys? In today's video we are installing the Redline hood lift kit and a new Cobb shift knob. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's start out by doing a bit of an unboxing video. See what we get. That's it for the box, or the tube. So we got some really nicely done instructions, and it's protected in that little plastic bag. We have two of the similar brackets here, as well as two other similar brackets here, and the struts themselves. Alright, I'm going to go over the instructions real quick. Looks like we need a 10mm. The top hood latches will come off. These will go on. And then the fender brackets on the bottom, also a 10mm, will go on here with the labels facing out. I don't know if you can see it in this one. So there's their name on each side, not each side, but each top portion here, and on this one. So let's go ahead and get started. So we are going to go ahead and start on the passenger side, just because this is the side that actually needs a little bit more attention. So we're going to go ahead and get the hood section ready and go ahead and put that on first. So next we take the bottom section and put it onto this bolt here, which is also a tube. I'll try to show you this next part the best I can. What we got to do is take the hose, it runs this way, bring it plastics up and that underneath, because this is going to get in the way now. I might be able to plug this in. Let's see. And it's really easy to do that. You just take this little clip here, push it out towards the outside, and pull up. Yeah, so now that this is routed underneath, we can move on to the next step. Alright, so we're just going to snap them in here. I might have to pry this out because they have little locks on here. We'll see. Nope, went right in. Right, there we are. So as you can see, it does hit this plastic piece here. So what we're going to do is trim this down, basically just cut here and across to here. Alright, so now that that more difficult side is done, we can finally finish up with this really easy side, which is just replacing this part and this part with the new latches and putting the strut on. And now that we don't need it anymore, I'm going to go ahead and remove the hood prop. I'll probably just leave this stuff here for now. But yeah, we're going to get rid of that, and that cleans it up a little bit. Alright, so now that the hood lift kit is installed, let's go ahead and install the Cobb shift knob. So I know my car started out as sort of a mid-model for the Focus, but I don't know, I think Ford should have definitely put this hood strut kit on automatically to at least the ST models and above, because, I mean, just a metal prop rod? Come on, guys. It's not the 60s anymore. So let's go ahead and replace this shift knob, which has really started to wear out and just start deteriorating pretty badly. Alright, so I wanted to show you exactly why I was replacing this. Hopefully I can pick this up. See the crack running through that whole thing, and then just like parts of it were starting to come off. So the SE model shifter boot is not like the ST, where it has the little cup already. So I might end up replacing this with one from the ST to just better fit everything. Because as you can see, the shift knob bottom here is actually what goes through here, and then there is there is a clip down here that this snaps into, and I went ahead and just took a flathead screwdriver and plopped that off from here. There's a little ring that goes around. So yeah, you just pull that off and it'll come out of the shift boot. But I wanted to go ahead and compare as well, the new one versus the old one. This one's a lot heavier. This one's nice machined. I went with the black and red just to kind of give it an offset color. I don't really have much red in here other than like the reflectors or whatever, but they it just was something else, because I could do a black on black, but then everything blends in. I do actually like the feel of the stock shifter, but it's just dying. So what we're going to do is go ahead and install this again. And from there, hopefully we can just let it sit on top of here until I get that figured out. So yeah, let's jump over to that one. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this for now, and go ahead and put this on, see where it stops. So at this point, I'd like to get this to where I can kind of shove this in here. I mean, yeah, it's gonna fall out, but hopefully I can get this whole shift boot assembly replaced, or find something else to put in here. Actually might be able to make something. Let me see. I don't think I have anything that'll fit this right now. What I think I can probably do is get a nut and a washer and sit it on here. Just sit it all the way down, and then this will go down onto top of the washer. Just have to find one that fit nicely between this and this. So yeah, let me try to figure that out right now. Okay, so I can't find anything to work with that, so I'm just going to install it, send it for now, and then fix it later. Don't really feel like going out to the stores right now. But yeah, I don't think I've showed you this yet. Check this out. So I believe I only shared this on my personal Instagram, but I finally did what everyone was recommending to do, which was to get the windows tinted. I finally have the windows tinted, and no, it's still dirty. But yeah, it's just whatever the legal limit was for Florida, because I don't feel like getting pulled over. But yeah, it looks really good. So yeah, I'll go ahead and figure out the thread patterns and everything, and get the correct parts, and we'll go ahead and do that in the future update for the video. In some upcoming new video series we have, one of them is going to be Life After Mod. It is going to cover all the mods I've done so far to the Focus, and just kind of cover the pros and cons of each one. So look out for that coming pretty soon, I think, for some of them. And if you guys like the video, definitely hit the thumbs up, helps us out a lot. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, because at the time I'm making this, we're getting really close to 1,000 subscribers and getting our monetization back, which means more stuff for that and more stuff for future builds, which will be awesome. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.